Hello everybody, it's Raven. I have a really what I consider important video for you guys today because we're going to be talking about NASA's StarShade. And I've got the article pulled up here for you. This was written on June 23rd, 2017. And you remember the eclipse of August the 21st, 2017? I don't know why, but they're bringing that up in this. And this is what this thing is about blocking the light of a star, okay? And basically what it does is block out the light of the star so that they can see planets and other moons around the star. Which I thought was really interesting because everybody, you know, can get on this attack mode of that. All of us people that think that there's a sun simulator or some type of blocking or shading device out there is crazy. Well, here's the article. You guys should go check it out. And check this out. Doesn't that look familiar? See this little guy right here? Doesn't that kind of remind you of some of the lens flares? This thing moves in sync with the eye of this thing. And maybe this is the black hole that we're seeing in front of the sun when this thing is deployed. It blocks out the light of the sun. Okay, so I've got another video here. Oops, sorry. Check this out. Watch how this thing works. And of course this little satellite right here stays in perfect sync with this device as it's deployed and moves out in front of whatever star, which could be our sun. What other stars do we have close to us that they're just, check this out. And you know all these flower petal designs that people get that are kind of shaded red when they're trying to take pictures of the sun. Yeah, it kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? Well, at least it does for me, because this is all crazy conspiracy theory wackos. But check it out. This is what they're doing. They've probably already built and deployed this. So if they wanted to do a fake eclipse, no problemo. They're showing you right here how they do it. Okay, so enough of that, because there is some really crazy stuff going on the FAA today. We're at Anchor Point Northeast, looking northeast, June the 7th, 2018. Just let the video speak for itself. And right here, there's our planet. It pops out and boop, disappears. But watch how the sun comes up and it moves across the sky, but yet it's dark here, it's dark over here. It's obviously being eclipsed right now. Okay, I'm gonna stop it right there. And right in this area here, you're gonna see a faint orb object pop out. Okay, watch the sun grow this big giant arm. Okay, did you check that out? Okay, we went from no light here at all, this giant arm, and then boom. I mean, they are really throwing on the flashlight here. But yet the sun has moved way off to the right, and you can tell from that before and after. All right, so you get it. And then look, the light disappears again, and then boom, the light's back. Because this object is starting to come into view, and I guess they're just gonna flashlight the hell out of it and block it. Of course, you can see the chemtrails everywhere. Okay, so let's get to the part where it actually, you can see it pretty darn good, and then it disappears. But there it is. Let's zoom in on that some for you. There it is. And it's there in about 3 to 4 frames, and then wow, like magic, poof, it's gone. Back that up. Looks like it's got a stripe going across the top, craters, lots going on there. And that's at anchor point. Okay, and then we're going to jump over to another. Bear with me, hold on. Okay, now we're at St. Paul looking north, same date. Okay, and the reason I brought you here is because let's go back to where the sun's coming up. And you can see the sky looks pretty normal color of blue. And then check the color change. Do you see the purple? Why is our sky changing colors? And some people are even getting these bright flashes of green. Okay, and I believe that's all I wanted to show you on that one. And oh, this one's crazy. Gamble Northeast. Check this out. Sun is all distorted. Look how dark the sky goes, but yet that's supposed to be our sun. And I have no idea unless that's rain on the lens of the camera that's causing the weird orb thingies everywhere. Here it comes again. Okay, that was very interesting, because check that out. Let's look. Sun's coming up in the left. It's coming up. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is up on top, right? You see this? And then all of a sudden, boom. What's that? Okay, is that whatever? And then, okay, it starts to move across the horizon from north to east. And then I'm not sure what all this is, unless that's water on the lens causing that. But look at the sun, it's all stretched out, very strange looking. And boom. So how would the light transfer onto a lens if that was a lens anomaly? I'm not sure. And what happens here? What is that? How come it's all blurred like that? And then it looks like the sun is shining through a half moon. And then it's very dark on top, dark on the bottom, dark all around. And then look at all this we got going on here. Some kind of weird little anomaly there. And it just continues. And usually when I'm just thinking, when we see that black dot on the sun, it's obviously being eclipsed. They've turned on the sun simulator. Check that out. Wow, isn't that cray cray? That looks crazy. And there's an orb down here. And look at up here. Look, there's an orb here. And why is it like dark black up here? The sun's out, is it not? I think it is. And then darker. So we're going through an eclipse right there, people. That has to be, I mean. And then, okay, we're starting to come out from the eclipse because it's starting to brighten up and almost look a little bit like daylight. But isn't that just very strange? Little video. Yeah. Oh, and that was kind of interesting because some kind of a red, I'm not sure what that is, but it just shows up in that one frame. It's like a red flying, I'm not sure. So, okay, let's jump over to another one, and then we'll hit play on this one. This is Point Hope. I haven't looked at Point Hope in a while, but wow, look at the size of that sun. And look at the colors, people. Look at the blue, the orange, the red going on. And obviously it's eclipse, because look at the dark on the left and the right. And there it goes. Our happy little rainbow sun. And I'm sure there's an orb there. I'm not quite seeing it because look at the size of the sun. It's just blown up. It's like a quarter the size of the frame there. And wow, look at the blue. Look at the green. We got a rainbow around our sun. I didn't think halos were supposed to be like rainbow colored. Okay, well anyway, you guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Raven out. Have a great day.